to the one of my favorite feature of this phone, which is the navigation gesture. We just need to go to the setting, system navigation, and I prefer using this gesture control. If you can see here guys, there is setting here, there is a tutorial from here. Back is like this, another back is here, and home, you just need to press here to there. And recent tasks, you just need to go swipe and hold. Then you can see here a recent task you perform. So I always prefer using this. This Honor XI or any Honor smartphones has this feature that customer didn't know. So once you swipe down in the notification bar, you can see here the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flashlight, vibration, auto-rotate, Huawei share, airplane mode, mobile data, location, and screenshot. But if you press the pen in here, you can see like hotspot, ultra power saver, navigation dock, wireless projection, do not disturb, screen recorder, eye comfort, NFC, and the nearby. On the notification panel, you just need to long press the button, then just drag up to move, just like this. Navigation dock. This navigation dock, it's really nice. It's same as your back button, just like this. So about this navigation, if you touch, meaning back, hold and release, meaning home screen, hold and swipe, meaning recent tasks, and drag to change position. Another thing guys, wireless projection. This wireless projection, it allows your phone to connect to any smart TV nearby you. And another thing guys, eye comfort. Eye comfort guys is really nice for eyes. So it will give you a cold temperature guys, just like this. So it's really nice for the eyes. And another thing is screen recorder. This screen recorder guys, you can record on the screen what you are doing. You just need to open that one, set allow, then okay. So let's say Jen, start recording guys. In here, then you are doing video calls with your son or daughter. Then what you are doing, what you are saying, it's all recorded on the screen. So we'll just need to stop it guys, and the recording will be saved into the gallery. This is what we did a while ago on the screen. Another thing, in here you can see NFC. NFC meaning it's a near-field communication. It is a technology that allows devices to exchange information simply by placing them next to one another. So let's pretend this Bose speaker is NFC supported. So you just need to tap it just to connect them to one another. And what is the benefit of this? This is a type of communication guys. It's just like Bluetooth guys. But in Bluetooth, you just need to go to Bluetooth, then search for the device, and then connect it. Then that's it. You are just connected. But in NFC guys, no need to go there. Just tap it. Just one tap for the devices which is NFC supported. Just one tap, then automatic, they are already connected to the device. So it's really a good feature from this one. Another thing, the ultra power saver, you just need to long press, then drag here, do not disturb option, and a nearby option guys. Next feature is the Wi-Fi bridge. Actually guys, this is one of my favorite features for this Honor XI. So let's say you go to a cafe, but they give you only one Wi-Fi password for their Wi-Fi. So all your friends is with you, but they only give you one Wi-Fi password. So no need to worry if you are using the Honor XI. So all you need to do, you just need to go to the setting. For some reasons, I couldn't find it in the setting, but if you will search for it, just type Wi-Fi here in the search, Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it's a Wi-Fi bridge here. And you can open this one, and you can now share your Wi-Fi connection with nearby devices for extended Wi-Fi coverage. Second, Wi-Fi bridges support up to 4 devices at a time. And also, you can set up your Wi-Fi bridge here. You can put your personalized password. You can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let's say 8, and just save it. And now, all your friends can connect to the Wi-Fi using only one password that the cafe gave you. It's really nice guys, right? And the next feature guys will be ultra power saving mode. So this phone has an awesome feature called ultra power saving mode. To do that, you need to go to the setting, you go to battery, you go to ultra power saving mode. Then just once you enable it guys, there are only 3 applications running on your device. And also here guys, you can add also additional application. can still use the mobile data and the Wi-Fi. So this feature guys is very helpful if you are outside of your house, then you are running out of battery, let's say 10% of your battery, then you can survive 5 to 6 hours using this. Next guys is the screenshot. There are 3 ways to do a screenshot. First, you can see here the volume down button and the power button. You just have to press it together. Then you can now take a screenshot. Another thing, if this option is a little bit hard for you, just swipe down in the notification area. You can see here the screenshot. You can now take a screenshot. Another thing, if you want a little easy, just go to the setting, Smart Assistance, Motion Control, then 3-finger screenshot. Just enable it. Then you can now take a screenshot, a 3-finger screenshot. And guys, if you want to share it to anyone using your WhatsApp or Messenger, just swipe it up and do the sharing. So what if guys, you will going to do a long screenshot? So all you need to do, 3-finger screenshot, then open the screenshot, just press here scroll shot, then press the volume down to stitch it. As you can see, it's now taking scrolling screenshot, and here is the long screenshot. Another thing, for example, you have to do a screenshot for your gallery. You just need to do a 3-finger screenshot, just press the screenshot, then press the scroll shot, then it's now stitching to a long screenshot. Then there you go guys. Next, we have the split screen. So for example guys, you are watching YouTube in here, then someone message you, you just need to long press the square button here. So you just need to open Messenger if someone messaged you in Messenger, and you have the option to move it guys. See? And what if you are using navigation gesture, like you just need to do the recent task. As you can see guys, recent task, and there is an option here. If you press this one, that is the dual split screen also. So you can go to Facebook or YouTube, you can do it guys. Actually guys, this split screen has been with Android for a very long time, but there is still some application that doesn't support this feature. But all you need to do is just go to the setting, scroll down and select the system, go to about phone, click the build number 7 times, then a developer option will be enabled. So we just need to go here, developer option, and just swipe down, and force activities to be resizable. Just open this guys, and now you should be able to use all application in a split screen mode. So guys, this is something you should definitely do. Another benefit of this Honor XI is the fingerprint sensor. As you can see guys, this fingerprint sensor you can use for unlock, you can stop alarm, you can answer calls. All you need to do, you just need to go to the setting, go to security and privacy, go to fingerprint ID, just enable all. So answer calls, stop alarm, browse photos. So for example, you can use for unlock, you can view notification. You will just need to swipe it down in the fingerprint button, and you can also take selfie, or you can also take picture using the fingerprint button. So let's take again another photo using the fingerprint, another photo using the fingerprint. So you can also browse photos using the fingerprint scanner. You just need to swipe it left and right, left, left, left again, right. It's very easy guys. This is not a big features, but if you get used into it, you will just enjoy it and you will love this feature. Now guys, let's talk about one of the main feature of this phone, the Honor XI, which is the camera. Guys, here in the setting, you can easily adjust the setting of it. You can put also 24 megapixel in it. You can choose 24 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 9 megapixel to 8 megapixels. If you want to make full screen the camera, just use the 8 megapixel. But if you want to use the 24 megapixel, size will be a little smaller. And this AI guys added more saturation, more color, and it enhances the images, and you can have more detailed photo just like this. You can see a big difference for the photo, this sample picture. Next is the moving picture guys. If you press this option, you can now take a photo for the moving object. If you press on it, it's a moving picture. Next is the high vision option. Identify the object option is the shopping. If you press in here, example, then it will go directly to the website where you can buy this type of item. Another thing, guys, is the translation, guys. Let's say from English to Chinese. We'll just take a photo of this. It is now detecting, guys. It's now changing the English to Chinese. So you have the option in German, Portuguese, Italian, Russian, Spanish, also in Korean, in Japanese, and it's really good, guys. And this also QR code scanner for this Honor XI. Another thing, guys, is the wide angle of this photo. The wide angle supports 8 megapixel, so just use like this, just tap like that, so it will become now more wide. So this is the sample picture of the normal photo and the wide photo. Next is the portrait mode. In portrait mode, guys, this is only for the human subject or face. In here, it's showing it no faces detected because there's nothing face detected by the camera. So automatic, this portrait mode is only for human subject. And if you want your background to be blurred, just press this, the bokeh. So background blurred enabled, and if you want not blurred, just press this one. So here are the sample pictures of portrait mode. Another thing, guys, is the night mode. And these are the sample picture of night mode. It's not that much perfect, guys, in using night mode, but it's already really good with a mid-range phone like this. Next is the aperture, guys. This aperture, guys, is like a portrait, but the difference between portrait and aperture, you just need a human subject for you to have a blurry. This aperture, it's like a portrait in an object or a thing. So you can also adjust the blur effect of this one, the aperture level. If you want more blurry, the background, so you just need to focus on the object. You can easily adjust the aperture level in here. Now there's no blurred. Now let's take a blurry effect, more blurry effect in here. And if you go to the more options, here you can find the Pro, AR lens, time-lapse, slow motion, light painting, filter, panorama, HDR, and stickers. And another thing, guys, in more option, this is one of my favorite feature also in camera of this one. As you can see in panorama, in normal panorama, you need to turn at 360 for you to be able to make a panorama shot. But this Honor XI is a great feature which you can do the panorama effect in an upward direction. So it's a really nice feature. This is the sample picture of this panorama effect. Comment down below which phone you want me to review on my next video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and for more unboxing and secret feature review, see you on my next video.